Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your email address on Bluesky Social, and while you're at it you can enjoy this free beam. So it's really easy and simple, guys. At the left hand side you will see this panel of options. You want to come here, click on settings, right? Then what you're going to do is come here, click on accounts, and you'll see here my email is listed, but I haven't verified it. Okay, if this email was verified you would see a check mark right here that is verified. I'll show you that. Just come here, click on verify your email. So what they're saying is you'll receive an email at this email address to verify that it's you. Then you can change it if you want. If that's not your correct one, then this is my correct one, so I'm going to just send a confirmation. And let me get this code and input it right here. There you go, guys. That is my code. I'm going to press confirm. And boom, guys, it says success. Thank you. Your email has been successfully verified. Now, if I close this, you'll see a check mark right here next to my email that shows that my email has been verified. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.